Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting little piece of audio gear, specifically a 2.1 channel HiFi power amplifier board. This isn't a finished product you just plug in, but rather a component designed for those who like to build or modify their own audio systems. It's built to power a stereo pair of speakers plus a dedicated subwoofer, giving you that extra punch in the low end. Under the hood, this board uses a couple of well-known chips in the audio world. The main power amplification seems to be handled by the TDA-7377, a chip often found in car audio or compact home systems, known for being quite robust and reliable for its size. For the preamp and tone control section, it utilizes the NE5532 op amp, which is a classic choice in audio circuits, appreciated for its low noise and good performance. In terms of power, it's rated to deliver a maximum of 18 watts per channel for your left and right speakers, and up to 30 watts for the bass channel. Now, these are likely peak or maximum ratings, but it's certainly enough power to drive small to medium bookshelf speakers and a modest subwoofer, perfect for a desktop setup, a small room, or bringing an old pair of speakers back to life with some modern bass. One of the great features here is the onboard control. You get dedicated knobs for adjusting the treble, the bass, and the overall volume. This means you don't necessarily need an external preamp or equalizer if you're keeping the setup simple. You can fine-tune the sound right from the board itself, which is super convenient for DIY projects. Looking at the board itself, it's quite compact, measuring in at just 76 by 44 by 46.8 millimeters. This small footprint makes it ideal for integrating into custom enclosures, speaker cabinets, or even repurposing old audio equipment. Powering this board is also quite flexible. It can accept either an AC voltage between 9 and 12 volts, or a DC voltage between 12 and 18 volts. This wide range means you can likely use a power adapter you already have lying around, or easily source one for your project. So, who is this board for? It's really aimed at the DIY audio enthusiast. Whether you want to build a custom 2.1 speaker system from scratch, add a subwoofer output and tone control to a simple stereo amplifier, or create a compact powered speaker setup, this board provides a solid foundation. The combination of decent power, onboard tone control, flexible power input, and compact size makes it a very versatile component for various audio projects. It offers a straightforward way to get 2.1 channel sound with adjustable bass and treble, all from a small, affordable board.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.